is a perennial with very fragrant, toothed leaves and tiny purple, pink or white flowers. It has a fruity, aromatic taste. Mints are vigorous perennials that thrive in light soil with good drainage. Ideally, they prefer a moist but well-drained site, something like their native habitat along stream banks. Frequent harvesting is the key to keep mint plants at their best. Young leaves have more flavor than old ones, and mint can be harvested as soon as it comes in spring. Most will tolerate some shade, and the variegated types may require some protection from direct sun. Right before flowering, cut the stems 1 inch from the ground. You can harvest one mint plant 2 or 3 times in one growing season. You can also just pick the leaves as you need them. If you want to dry them, it's best to cut the leaves right before flowering. Store the dried leaves in an airtight container. Prepare a pitcher with small amount of water. Take cuttings from the top growth of your mint plant about 8 cm in length. Remove the lower leaves and cut the stem just below the leaf node. Place the stems in a pitcher or glass of water. Leave in a light, airy place until the stems have taken root. The stems will take root within a couple of weeks. Once a good root system has developed, pot the stem up in a container with good quality, peat-free multi-purpose compost. Spray water with IOF 7 days interval. If you're potting up cuttings that were rooted in water, they may drop after being transplanted into soil, but they should recover within a few days. Just keep your new baby mint plant out of the sun and don't fertilize them until they recover. After the plants have recovered from transplant shock, you can move them into the sun and start feeding them. There's not a specific type of mint fertilizer, but I recommend using Insta Organic Farm for mint plants rather than chemicals. Happy farming!